Welcome. In front of me I have ZEBLAZE Stratos 2 Ultra, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. So first thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe left on the screen to open the menu. Then scroll through the menu and look for the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it, of course, to enter the settings. In settings, scroll through the menu and look for the system menu option, and once you find it, tap on it, and here find the option called reset, and of course, tap on it. And now we can tap on the checkmark to confirm, but one thing before we continue, if you factory reset your watch, it will remove all of your data and settings from your watch, so be aware of that. And also, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. So once you check the battery and you're sure it's charged, you can tap on the checkmark to confirm. And it's still resetting. Okay, and once you see the list of languages on the screen, it means that the reset is complete. And that's how you factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.